નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, દ્રષ્ટિ એજ્યુકેશન ચેનલમાં આપ સર્વેનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે. આજે આપણે જોવાના છીએ ધોરણ 8માં આવતા અંગ્રેજી વિષયની સ્વાધ્યાય પોથીનું સોલ્યુશન, જેનો પ્રથમ યુનિટ છે વિન ઇઝ માઇન. ચાલો શરૂ કરીએ. ક્વેશ્ચન 1. રીડ ધ ફોલોઈંગ પેરેગ્રાફ ફ્રોમ ધ લેસન. આન્સર ધ ફોલોઈંગ ક્વેશ્ચન. Question 1. How old was Tejaswini? The answer is Tejaswini was 12 years old. Second question. What did her father gift her? Answer is her father gifted her a beautiful gift. Question 3. Describe the bicycle. The answer is the bicycle was blue in color with a soft seat, a little bell and a rear view mirror. Answer the question selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in box. Question 1. When is Tejaswini's birthday? The answer is option A, 11 April 2011. Question 2. Who gifted Tejaswini a bicycle? The answer is option C, her father. Question 3. Which of the following is false about the bicycle? The answer is option D. It has a hard seat. Question 4. Which word in the paragraphs means only one of its kind? The answer is option B, unique. Paragraph 2. Answer the following questions. Question 1. How did Tejaswini feel when she saw her bicycle? The answer is Tejaswini felt proud when she saw her bicycle. Question 2. Where did Tejaswini go? The answer is Tejaswini went to the river bank. Question 3. How was the path on the river bank? The answer is the path on the river bank was rough. Answer the question selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in the box. Question 1. What did Tejaswini say when she was the bicycle? The answer is option B, wow. Question 2. Where did Tejaswini go? The answer is option C, river bank. Question 3. How was the path on the river bank? The answer is option B, rough. Question 4. Which word in the paragraph means shouted? The answer is option A, yield. Paragraph 3. Answer the following question. Question 1. What did Tejaswini notice? The answer is Tejaswini noticed a red button near the bell. Question 2. What happened when Tejaswini pushed the red button? The answer is when Tejaswini pushed the red button, a big fan came out of the rear wheel. Question 3. Why was Tejaswini thrilled? The answer is Tejaswini was thrilled because a big fan came on the rear wheel and started rotating. Question 4. What did Tejaswini do when the fan started rotating? The answer is when the fan started rotating, Tejaswini pedaled the bicycle with full strength. Answer the question selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in the box. Question 1. Where was the red button? The answer is option B, near the bell. Question 2. Notice means the answer is option D, saw. Question 3. A fan came out on the khali jagya. तो जवाब आवशे ऑप्शन बी, rear wheel. Question 4. Which word show that there was magic? Answer is option B, lo and behold. Paragraph 4. Answer the following questions. Question 1. What was a miracle? Answer is the bike was flying, that was a miracle. Question 2. How high did the bike go? The answer is The bike went 50 meters high. Question 3. Why was Tejaswini thrilled? The answer is Tejaswini was thrilled because the bike was flying. Answer the question selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in box. Question 1. How high did the bicycle go? The answer is option B, 50 meters. Question 2. Miracle means? The answer is option A, magic. Question 3. Which word in the paragraph means excited? The answer is option C, thrilled. Paragraph 5. Answer the following questions. Question 1. What did Tejaswini see in the river? The answer is Tejaswini saw a boat in the river. Question 2. What did Tejaswini see in her school? The answer is Tejaswini saw many leaves of tree on the roof of her school. Question 3. What did Tejaswini decide? The answer is Tejaswini decided to clean the school roof. Answer the question selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in the box. The question 1. What did Tejaswini see in the river? The answer is option B, boat. Question 2. What did Tejaswini see in the river? The answer is option A, school. Question 3. Where were the leaves? The answer is option D, roof of her school. Paragraph 6. Answer the following questions. Question 1. Where was Tejaswini flying? The answer is Tejaswini was flying over the farms and fields. Question 2. What did Tejaswini notice? The answer is Tejaswini noticed a flock of birds on her way. Question 3. What did Tejaswini do? The answer is Tejaswini applied the brakes. Question 4. What happened when Tejaswini applied a brakes? The answer is when she applied the brakes, the fan stopped and the bike started coming down. Question 5. What did Tejaswini do when the bike started coming down? The answer is when the bike started coming down, she closed her eyes and held the handle. Answer the question selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in the box. Question 1. Tejaswini was flying खाली जगह. The answer is option D, over the farms and fields. Question 2. What came in Tejaswini's way? The answer is option C, flock of birds. When Tejaswini applied the brakes खाली जगह. The answer is option C, the fan stopped. Paragraph 7. Answer the following questions. Question 1. What did Tejaswini realize? The answer is Tejaswini realized that it was a dream. Question 2. What did Tejaswini promise herself? The answer is Tejaswini promised herself to make a flying bike and fly over the village. Question 3. The flying bike was a dream. True or false? The answer is true. Answer the question selecting the correct option and write A, B, C or D in the box. Question 1. The flying bike was खाली जगह. The answer is option B, a dream. Question 2. Tejaswini promised herself to खाली जगह. The answer is option D, make a flying bicycle. Question 3. Which word in the paragraph means always? The answer is option A, forever. Say whether a following statement are true or false. એટલે કે નીચેના વિધાનો ખરા છે કે ખોટા તે લખો. Question 1. Tejaswini's father gifted her a scooter. It's false. Question 2. Tejaswini was proud to see the bicycle. It's true. Question 3. There was a blue button near the bell. It's false. 4. Tejaswini went to the seashore. It's false. 5. There came out a big fan on the rear wheel. It's true. 6. Tejaswini saw a bits of paper on the school roof. It's false. 7. Tejaswini saw a flock of birds on her way. It's true. 8. Tejaswini saw a kite in the river. It's false. Question 3. Write at least 2 rhyming words for the following words. You may use a dictionary. આમાં આપણે શબ્દોના સમાન ઉચ્ચારવાળા 2 શબ્દો લખવાના છે જેમાં આપણે શબ્દકોશનો ઉપયોગ કરી શકીએ છીએ. એક્ઝામ્પલ તરીકે છે થ્રિલ્ડ તો કિલ્ડ સ્પિલ્ડ. તો ચાલો જોઈએ. 1. Shifted તો lifted and gifted. 2. Crowd round and proud. 3rd. Candle તો handle and paddle. 4. Block તો clock and flock. 5. Cream તો dream and stream. Question 4. Write the past tense form of the following words. એટલે કે આપણે અહીં ક્રિયાપદના ભૂતકાળના રૂપ લખવાના છે. First, apply તો applied. Second, tell તો told. 3. See તો saw. 4. Throw તો throw. 5. Come તો came. 6. Give to gave. 7. Feel felt. 8. Ring to rang. 9. Think to thought. 10. To go to went. Question 5. Read the following paragraph and answer the question given below it. નીચેનો ફકરો આપણે વાંચવાનો છે અને તેના આધાર ઉપર નીચેના પ્રશ્નોના જવાબ આપવાના છે. તો જોઈએ. Question 1. What goes round the earth? The answer is the earth goes round the sun. Second, what is the earth? The earth is a planet. Question 3. What is the moon called? The answer is option B, satellite. Question 4. What is the solar system? The answer is the sun, the planets and their satellite form the solar system. Solar means belonging to the sun. Question 5. Which word in the paragraphs means to shine? The answer is option D, twinkle. Question 6. Form question and write answer using yes or no. એટલે કે પ્રશ્નાર્થ વાક્યો બનાવીને આપણે યસ અને નોમાં ઉત્તર લખવાનો છે. આપણને અહીં એક ઉદાહરણ આપ્યું છે, તેના આધાર ઉપર આપણે વાક્યો બનાવવાના છે. તો ચાલો જોઈએ. First, the boys flew kites yesterday. The answer is, did the boys fly kites yesterday? Yes, they did. No, they didn't. Question 2. Megha drew a lovely picture. The answer, did Megha draw a lovely picture? Yes, she did. No, she didn't. Question 3. Tarak spent all his money. તાનું પ્રશ્નાર્થ વાક્ય બનશે, did Tarak spend all his money? Yes, they did. No, they didn't. Question 4. The children are at apples. તાનું પ્રશ્નાર્થ વાક્ય બનશે, did the children eat apples? હકાર બનશે yes they did અને નકાર બનશે they didn't. Question 5. We won the match. આનું પ્રશ્નાર્થ વાક્ય બનશે, did we win the match? હકાર બનશે yes we did, નકાર બનશે no we didn't. Question 7. Write the sentences as so in the example. આપેલ ઉદાહરણ પ્રમાણે અહીં આપણે વાક્ય બનાવવાના છે. તો જોઈએ પહેલું. ફર્સ્ટ, નિતિન ડ્રિંક્સ મિલ્ક. આન્સર ઇઝ નિતિન ડ્રેન્ક મિલ્ક. નિતિન વિલ ડ્રિંક મિલ્ક. આના ઉપરથી આપણે સમજીએ છીએ કે પ્રથમ વાક્ય એ વર્તમાન કાળનું છે, બીજું એ ભૂતકાળનું અને ત્રીજું એ ભવિષ્યકાળનું આપણે બનાવવાનું છે. સેકન્ડ, આઈ ક્લીન માય રૂમ. એનું ભૂતકાળનું વાક્ય બનશે આઈ ક્લીન માય રૂમ અને ભવિષ્યકાળમાં બનશે આઈ વિલ ક્લીન માય રૂમ. ક્વેશ્ચન 3, મિસ્ટર વ્યાસ ટીચીસ અસ ઇંગ્લિશ. આનું ભૂતકાળનું વાક્ય બનશે મિસ્ટર વ્યાસ ટોટ અસ ઇંગ્લિશ અને ભવિષ્યકાળનું બનશે મિસ્ટર વ્યાસ વિલ ટીચ અસ ઇંગ્લિશ. ચોથું, બાલુ રિંગ્સ ધ બેલ્સ. ભૂતકાળનું વાક્ય બનશે બાલુ રેંગ ધ બેલ અને ભવિષ્યનું બનશે બાલુ વિલ રિંગ ધ બેલ. ક્વેશ્ચન 5, ધ પ્રિન્સિપાલ એન્ટર્સ ધ ક્લાસરૂમ. ભૂતકાળનું વાક્ય બનશે ધ પ્રિન્સિપાલ એન્ટર્ડ ધ ક્લાસરૂમ અને ભવિષ્યકાળનું વાક્ય બનશે ધ પ્રિન્સિપાલ વિલ એન્ટર ધ ક્લાસરૂમ. ક્વેશ્ચન 8, આમાં તમારે વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો તમે શનિવારે અને રવિવારે શું કર્યું તેના ચિત્રો તમારે દોરવાના છે અને તેના વિશે તમારે 2-3 વાક્યો લખવાના જે તમારે કરવાનું છે. તેથી અહીં મેં જગ્યા ખાલી રાખેલી છે. પ્રશ્ન 9, અહીં આપણે સાયકલનું ચિત્ર દોરવાનું છે અને તેમાં રંગ પૂરી અને માય બાઇસિકલ ઉપર 7 થી 8 વાક્યો એ આના આધાર ઉપર આપણે લખવાના છે. જેમાં પોઈન્ટ્સ આપ્યા છે આપણને કલર, સીટ, સ્મોલ બેલ, રિયર વ્યૂ મિરર, બાસ્કેટ, પેડલ્સ, હેન્ડલ, વેન યુ સી ઇટ અને વાય યુ લાઇક ઇટ. આના મુદ્દા આધારિત આપણે અહીં વાક્યો લખવાના છે. તો તે જોઈએ. ફર્સ્ટ, ધ કલર ઓફ માય બાઇસિકલ ઇઝ પિંક. સેકન્ડ, ઇટ હેઝ અ બ્લેક કલર્ડ સીટ. 3, it has a cute small bell of yellow color. 4, it has 2 rear view mirror. 5, it has a basket attached in front. 6, it has 2 pedals. 7, it has 2 black colored handles. 8, I immediately liked it when I first saw it. 9, I like it very much because it is gifted by my mother. અહીં આપણો સાધ્યપોથી સોલ્યુશનનો પ્રથમ પાઠ વિની સ્માઇલ પૂર્ણ થાય છે. ધન્યવાદ. તમને આ વિડીયો ગમ્યો હોય તો અમારી દ્રષ્ટિ એજ્યુકેશન ચેનલને અત્યારે જ સબસ્ક્રાઈબ કરજો, લાઈક કરજો અને તમારા મિત્રો સાથે શેર કરવાનું ભૂલતા નહીં. ધન્યવાદ.